in addition to es gibt being a very, very important German phrase, da ist and dort ist are also equally important. Let's examine the differences. So, there is and there are is es gibt, both in the singular and in the plural. Things to note about es gibt. Bei es gibt ist eher verallgemeinert. So when you're using es gibt, it's like really abstract, all right? So it just means you're talking about it, like you can't necessarily like see it or touch it. You're just saying that like, there is, there are, whatever. So it has a more abstract feeling to it. Zum Beispiel, for example, im Frühling gibt es viele Blumen. So in the spring, there are a lot of flowers. Well, maybe it's winter right now. And if it's winter right now, you may not see a lot of flowers. But hey, you know that in the spring, there are a lot of flowers. So it's that abstract idea. You're not saying, hey, they're right there. Do you see the flowers? Heute gibt es keine Zeit. Zeit by itself is an abstract noun. It's not concrete. So, hey, like, there's no time today. All right? So, es gibt is used more in the abstract. That's the opposite of using da ist and dort ist. So with da oder dort, also da oder dort ist, sagt man, wenn man mit dem Finger hinzeigt. So if you can show or point at it with your finger, then you could use da or dort ist. So it's actually there. All right? So zum Beispiel, schau mal, da sind Schafe. So this, you have to use the plural, if it's plural. So, hey, look, there are sheep, okay? Like, you can see them. You're pointing at them, all right? Da ist ein Hund. All right, so Hund is singular, so you're using ist. Hey, wow, there's a dog. You can point at it. So if it's plural, Schafe, plural for sheep, you had to use sind. Hund is singular, so you can use ist. Da sind Schafe. Da ist ein Hund. So just don't forget that when you look at es gibt, remember those are more abstract ideas, whereas da ist or da sind or dort ist or dort sind, those will be more the concrete things that you could point at and like are immediate. So you're pointing them to them at a certain location. Hope this helps. Danke.